Hello, my dear friends. Let's listen to the hummingbird. It rises mystically across the bay, a strange light. Every morning, like a sphere, it hums and makes a strange sound. Some call it the nymph Eo, which means dawn. Others call it nymph iris, as it reflects so many colors like the rainbow. Some people call it agape, the daughter of love, or Elpis, the daughter of hope. Actually, it looks like an angel, a divine angel placed here by God to protect us. Watching it, I saw it flying around Hera's temple, moving high up to the top of the mountain, touching its peak, and down it went again to the monastery at the foothill, surprising the priest and the nuns there, as if to give them a blessing, a divine blessing from above. In fact, some children had seen it flying near their homes by the shore. Every morning they saw the hummingbird rising with the sun radiating calmness and peace around. The hummingbird could therefore be considered as the messenger, the divine messenger from above, bringing beauty, peace, and love to the world. Could that be appreciated by everyone, or only just by the poets? My dear friends, I sent my hummingbird directly into the doors and windows of your hearts. Have a beautiful Christmas season and holiday. Many, many greetings from Greece and from me, Vasiliki Kalahani from Corinthia, Greece. Stay well, everyone, and take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, my darlings. Bye-bye.